So at Little Pine, it's a fairly long lake running north to south. You can obviously adjust your position throughout the day, but just starting up the end of the lake where the wind's blowing from and drifting down is often a good way to start your day. A lot of the Highland lakes up here offer various fly fishing opportunities throughout the season, so it's really just about getting out here, being prepared for anything that might happen on the day. So early in the season here in Tasmania, the use of the boat can be a really good tool. Standing on the boat is much warmer than waist deep in freezing cold water, so that's always good.